So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Monopoly Go not loading. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So the live issues that are going on right now is crashing and an error message being received. So basically to fix this and it's not loading at all you have to do is go to your app store basically. So we just head on to our app store right here, and I want you guys to update it to the latest version since it has been discovered and fixed already just 9 hours ago as we are speaking right now. So you'll find that everything will be fixed and it will actually get loading. So it has been crashing and there has been an error message being received for every player that has been playing since like me. So basically that's it. All you have to do is update this to the latest version, and there you go, and you will get the best out of Monopoly Go. And then it will have you compensated also with actually 200 dices once you have updated it. And there you go guys. So I just want you to update the game. So if it doesn't still work, all you have to do is install and uninstall this Monopoly Go application, and there you go guys. It will be resolved. So if you like this video, I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.